dames en heren, voor jullie staat speciaal klaar hier op het podium de boze wijf, oftewel Patraaf. Succes!
Dankjewel, we zijn Patraaf. Zoals je net al hebt gehuurd, we spelen eigenlijk alleen eigen nummers. Of niet eens eigenlijk, we spelen alleen eigen nummers. Die hoe het leven gegrepen zien. En de eerste gaat over onze lieftallige drummer Marcel.
Motorcycle accident, this voice I hear, very clear as it echoes through my head. Not his mistake, nevertheless it was a choice he made. To ride that day, he took the open road with a smile upon his face. What if it rained that day? What if this bike wouldn't start so we couldn't get away? Two more beers and smoke a cigarette. Well, there's no use in thinking like that. No use in thinking like that. No use in thinking like that. Motorcycle accident, still I see him waving at me. He said take care, goodbye. Standing next to your bed, still a smile on your face, although you broke your leg. Because the doctor said it's not that bad, no reason to be sad. What if it rained that day? What if this bike wouldn't start so we couldn't get away? What if he stayed up late, drank two more beers and smoked a cigarette? Well, there's no use in thinking like that. No use in thinking like that. No use in thinking like that. Nearly lost a friend.
Dankjewel. Volgende nummer, and Serve the Light.
I wish there was a place to call free every inch of it a tree. Oh, when the sea is the sea, it's all connected, no cars left to see. Slay the beast, could it be in you and in me? Time means everything. Whoa, 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 nothing's on my mind. To serve the light, I'll let darkness be my guide. I'll step out of my mind. I'll go around my way to find answers to the things we say and lay it all on the line. I like to keep my feet down on the earth and my weary head way up high in the clouds, the clouds. My eyes are focused on full moon ahead. My soul is resting in the light of the setting sun. The sun.
Dankjewel, dankjewel.
Merci, merci.
Dat was Circle the Light. Het volgende nummer is het Drifting. Dat is eigenlijk een nieuw nummer. Eerste keer dat we het live spelen. Dus ik ben heel benieuwd wat je ervan vindt.
Some small talk, so we both stay away. Keep on drifting in a world of your own. In a few more miles we'll be home. You'll ask without a clue, who are you talking to? Sure, I'm smiling. I've seen this before. I know you're perfectly fine. No worries, temporarily outlined as a low, so above and between. There's a fine line that you can't always see. Keep on drifting in a world of your own. In a few more miles we'll be home. You'll ask without a clue, who are you talking to? In a world of your own. In a few more miles we'll be home. Keep on drifting in a world of your own. In a few more miles we'll be home. You'll ask without a clue, who are you talking to?
Dankjewel.
Dankjewel.
Dames en heren, Bad Rolf hier in Dok 6. Dat mag ook in het dialect, hè? Bad Rolf, of niet?
Hey, best goed.
Ja, oké. Hey, hartstikke bedankt voor de komst hier naar Dok 6. En ja, we zien jullie hopelijk nog een keertje ergens. Oh, jullie hebben er nog 2. Oh, dan heb ik het verkeerd begrepen met de regie. Maar dan gaan we er nog 2 luisteren.
Mogen we nog even wat zo slecht?
Ja, nee.
Zeker niet. Echt wel de moeite waard, toch? Willen er meer, hè? Ja, dat dacht ik.
Jazeker.
Zo.
Ah nee, nou overnemen.
Ja, wat we dus nog niet gedaan hebben, is de band voorstellen. Zou ik nou voor de gelegenheid verpakken? Achter mij Op de drums, Marcel Verberne. Rechts neven mij, terug links. Op de bas, Koen Grubbe. Rustig aan. Op de gitaar, knapste gitarist van Venlo, Jules Jansen.
En in het midden, op de gitaar en op zang, de enige echte Emiel Willekes.
Dit is een badgraaf, dit nummer uit China Shipping. Het staat op Spotify.
So I lay back, kicked and going my way around. And I've got no trouble. Blue sky, sunlight on his path I found. And I've got no trouble. Clean face, hot days, feeling the soul sound. I'm so glad she's leaving, so I don't have to worry my mind no more. 'Cause I am a little bird flying. I hope she doesn't find a way back home. China for the rest of the days. She's sitting in containers at the end of the train. She's probably overthinking her sweet little brain. Call me a bad man, dinner if you like. Believe me when I say that she was on the last train.
Volgens mij is dit wel echt de allerlaatste.
Dit is wel echt inderdaad de allerlaatste.
Echt de allerlaatste.
Wil ik je bedanken dat wij hebben mogen spelen. Fijn dat gaan we ons hier blijven zetten. Dit nummer gaat High Tides.
Surrender to the Jesus in the pocket of your coat. Remember walking barefoot when you were just 5, unaware of all the complications in your future life. Just go your way, it's alright. Let intuition be your guide and walk at your own chosen speed. It seems to be out of sight during the high tide, but the water will retreat. To push the water from the peak, to rescue your drowning dreams, but they're out of reach. You better learn to swim, 'cause the sand's no longer safe. So brace yourself, breathe in, here comes another wave. Just go your way, it's alright. Let intuition be your guide and walk at your own chosen speed. It seems to be out of sight during the high tide, but the water will retreat.
Dankjewel, Roland Badgraaf. Dankjewel.
Dat half uit Pijl en Maas.